Welcome to Read Along Academy, where we bring stories to life and help you guide your students through rich literature with vocabulary, comprehension, and discussion tools. In this video, we'll explore Chapter 1 of Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. Let's dive into this timeless classic together. Chapter 1 introduces us to Fern Arable, an 8-year-old girl who is heartbroken to hear that her father is planning to kill the runt of a pig's litter. She rushes outside and begs him to spare the pig's life. Moved by her passion, her father agrees, and Fern becomes the proud caretaker of the little piglet, whom she names Wilbur. This opening chapter sets the tone for the themes of compassion, fairness, and the value of every life, no matter how small. Let's now review some vocabulary words from this chapter. These words can be used for spelling practice, reading fluency, or even creative writing prompts. The first word is injustice. Example sentence: Fern believed it was an injustice to kill the baby pig just because it was small. The second word is runt. Example sentence: A runt is the smallest animal in a litter. In this chapter, Wilbur is the runt. Next is axe. Example sentence: Fern stopped her father just in time before he reached for the axe. Another word is queer. In this context, it means strange or unusual. Example sentence: Fern thought it was queer that her father could decide which animals lived and which ones didn't. Now let's check for memory and understanding with a few recall questions. Question 1. What was Fern's father planning to do at the beginning of the story? Answer: He was planning to kill the runt of the litter. Question 2. How did Fern react to her father's decision? Answer: She was upset and begged him to let the pig live. Question 3. What name did Fern give the piglet? Answer: She named him Wilbur. Question 4. What reason did Fern give to save the pig? Answer: She said it was unfair for the pig to be killed just because it was small. Let's move on to some open-ended discussion questions. These are great for classroom conversation or even journal prompts. First question: Why do you think Fern cared so much about saving the piglet? Possible answer: She felt it wasn't fair to judge a living creature based on its size, and she had a strong sense of justice and empathy. Second question: If you were in Fern's position, what would you have done? Possible answer: Answers may vary. Some students might say they would do the same. Others might say they would ask someone else for help. This question helps kids reflect on moral choices. And third, what does this chapter teach us about fairness? Possible answer: It shows that everyone deserves a chance, no matter how small or weak they might seem at first. Thank you for watching this chapter guide from Read Along Academy. In the next episode, we'll follow Wilbur as he begins a new chapter of life and meets new friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more read-along guides, vocabulary tips, and printable workbooks coming soon. See you next time.